Hello my wonderful family, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. How is your day going? I hope you are enjoying your Friday guys. Good morning once again to you, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are joining us from guys. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my delicious vegetable stew guys. First of all, let me show you all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe guys. Our number one ingredient is our red oil, our tomato, our catfish, blended crayfish, our seasoning cube, our salt to taste. I'm using ginger and garlic powder, our sliced onions, our lovely blended pepper, our fish and the stockfish. Here we have our water leaf already washed and sliced. Here is our ugu leaf already washed guys. So let's get started. Make sure you stay and watch this video to the end because you will love everything you're going to see here. Let's make this delicious vegetable stew together. So guys, make sure you always put water on your pot to raise it before you start using it to cook. I have already done my own guys. So make sure you stay and watch this video to the end. You will see step by step on how to make your delicious vegetable stew. It's time to add our red oil. No, it's not every time we'll be cooking tomato stew. Sometimes you have to divert it to vegetable stew because vegetable stew is very good. It's very healthy for the body. So guys, please make sure you go and watch all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel guys for more interesting videos to come. Now it's time to add your onions. I always told you guys, I add my seasoning while frying the onions so that it will bring out the taste of the food. You guys have to try it. If you put your onions, you put your, maybe if you are using curry to cook, you put your curry, it will bring out the taste of the food. Also add in our tomato. Heavenly Father, you are wonderful, you are excellent, you are marvelous. I worship you, Lord, for what you have done in my life. You got all in your hands. Heavenly Father, you are wonderful, you are excellent, you are marvelous. Give you praise for what you have done in my life. You got a whole world in your hands. You got a whole world in your hands. You got a whole world in your hands. guys, I have already put in my tomato. We have to fry this tomato. See our lovely blended pepper. Have to fry it together. Stay tuned and watch this beautiful, this delicious vegetable stew, guys. You will love the outcome. So let's cover our pot and wait for the tomato to cook like 5 minutes. So guys, let's check our tomato. You can see our tomato is well fried, because you have to fry the tomato so that the thing will not be giving you that sour taste. Time to add in our catfish. Our season cube. Our salt to taste. A blended crayfish. Oh my, let's add in our stockfish. I always put water first. The stockfish water. Use it and turn the tomato. It will give that delicious taste, guys. Time to add in our fish. So we have to cover our pot and cook this tomato for a while, because our catfish has already been added. So we need to wait for the catfish to done first before we add our vegetables, so that it will even help the tomato to fry very well. Guys, time to check our tomato. As you can see, everything, at least the catfish that is inside here, is well cooked, so that you will not be eating something that is not well done. It's time to add in our vegetables. Our water leaf, guys. The reason why I use As you can see, my tomato is a little bit big. It's because of the vegetable that I'm using, and also it's the way I love to cook my own. Our ugu, as you can see, my ugu is ready, so that is the reason why we're using that big tomato. Some people don't like to use tomato, they will only use pepper, grounded pepper. Make sure you turn as you are cooking. The time you are frying your tomato, you have already added crayfish, catfish, so you make sure the salt is okay. Every seasoning you want to put is, you will check if everything is okay before you add in your ugu, because if you add your ugu, you will not, if you add your vegetable, you will not cook the stew for long. You just cover your pot and cook it for some minutes before. These people did not cut my ugu very well. So guys, do you see how it looked? You are not going to add any water. Just cover the pot and cook it for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Your food is ready. Please guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video. It is the only way to show that you love what you watched. Please guys, make sure you like my video, watch to the end, share my video to your friends and family so that they will join you and watch our delicious homemade food. Thank you so much once again for always tuning into my video. I really appreciate you guys. I 1 in a million. Please guys, enjoy watching this video. We are coming back. Guys, look at the outcome. Our food is ready. Our food is ready. Bring your rice. Let's pair this with rice. Not every time that your tomatoes too, guys. Please make sure you try this recipe. It's very nice and healthy, guys. Thank you so much once again for watching my video. Please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Give us a like, a comment. Bye.